For this video, I am going to teach you how to add subtitles in Adobe Express. So the process is pretty straightforward and very simple. And the first thing that you need to do is to open your Adobe Creative Cloud and then just locate Adobe Express in there. So then once you are here in Adobe Express, and if you don't, or if you haven't logged into your account yet, just do that by using your credentials. So now once you are in here again, locate this, or I'm so sorry, just go to the video section first, or in the center part of your screen you'll locate the different sections. So again, just go to the video and locate this caption video feature or section or tool that you can use to add subtitles to your video. Or if you don't have this as an option, just hit this view all button right here and then go to the video section again, and then you should be able to locate the caption video right there. So just simply click on it, and it says right here, drag and drop the video, or drag and drop a video, or you can browse to your local files, and the file can be up to 1 gig and 5 minutes in duration. So I'm just going to click on to this one and locate the video that I want to edit here. So I'm just going with this one. So let it load for a few seconds. So it is right here, uploading media. So let that process for a few seconds, and after uploading the media, it should say right here that video analyzing. So what's happening right there is the tool is automatically adding subtitles to your video by using AI. So now it says right here, analyzing video, so you just need to let it finish. Then after that, you'll have your video right here. So then once you click onto it, or just play it, then you'll notice that your video is now, or has now, a subtitles. So you can also use this scrubber on the bottom part of your screen and see the entirety of the video if you want to, and scroll through your video. And on the right side part, you'll have this section right here where you can edit the caption text. So what you see on your video is the same text that you see on the right side part on here, or in here. So for example, I'm just going to capitalize this settle word. So let us try to do that. Settle. So then it is now changed, or the word settle is changed. On the lower side part, you can choose the style if you want to change the style of the captions. So I'm just going with the loud right here. And whatever style that you choose for your current project will be saved and be applied to your other, or to your next project. So that will be really convenient if you want to just have a same style for all of your videos for its subtitle, or for its subtitles. So I'm just going with rapid, going to explore with my options right now. So now, once you are satisfied with what you have two options. So you can download your video by hitting this download button, and you can also open your video in your editor by clicking this open in editor button right now, or right here. So just click onto it, then you'll be able to go to the editor of Adobe Express. So that's basically it. That is all that you need to do if you want to add subtitles to your video here in Adobe Express. So then I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.